Hello everyone, welcome back to the series French for Beginners. Today is lesson 19, tonic pronouns. Let's get started. For tonic pronouns, there are corresponding subjects. For example, je is correspond to tonic pronouns moi, tu for toi, il for lui, elle for elle, nous for nous, vous for vous, il for eux, elle for elle. So when do we use tonic pronouns? The first situation is after preposition. Second is after c'est. Third is for stressing or contrast. Let's take a look at these examples. In the first situation after preposition, for example, il travaille avec moi. He works with me. J'habite chez lui. I live with him. Nous partons sans elle. We leave without her. Now let's take a look at the other situation after c'est. For example, qui est? C'est moi. Who is it? It is me. C'est toi qui. It is you who. C'est lui. It's him. Now let's take a look at the last situation, stressing or contrast. For example, ça va bien, et toi? I'm good, and you? And the answer could be, moi, je vais bien. Me, I'm good. Let's take a look at another example. Je suis petit, et toi? I'm small, and you? Moi, je suis grand. Me, I'm tall. This is to stress that it's me who is tall, or it's me, I'm good. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.